Hello friend, welcome back. In a previous video, I already discussed about that things with you, how can update your author. And in this video, I will show you how can delete it. Like they have also one of the button as a delete. So if you click on the delete, then this author will be deleted from to this area. So I already add some of the link in our list page. Like if you go to the author list page here, that is our list page. And here you can see I already added some of the link as a back, author and the delete. So here first of all we have to create one of the route for this one. Like if you go to our route, so it should be just like this one. Again, better I just copy it, okay, and here I just paste it. So this method will be the delete method. So here I just define the delete, and also that is the author and then the delete, okay. And also here I want to delete that things with the by the ID. For the reasons here you can see I just define that back, author, delete, and then also define that ID. So here I just defining it, and uses with our admin. There is an author controller. There is another method. Like here if you go to that position, that is actually the destroy method. So right now I want to work with this method area. So here I just define as a destroy, and here I just define as the author delete. Okay, I just define the author delete. So now we have to work in our destroy method like here. So if you go to that author controller on particular that page area, here I just assign our user model. So here I just define that user model, and with this user model here I just put one of the where condition. Okay, I just define that where condition, and into the where condition, first of all here I just define one of the ID. That means our author ID, author field ID. Okay, if you go to that database table like here, that is the user. So here if you go to this position and into this table, that is actually the ID. So he will be deleted with this ID, and that is ID you are actually passing from here. So you will be matched with this one. So here I just define that ID, okay. And when it should be matched, then I just want to delete it. So here I just define that delete method on particular that position. And after the delete, I also want to redirect it to the index page. That means our list page. So where I just copy it, and here I paste on particular that position. So here I just put that action. It should be redirected to our index method, and where I also want to display some of the message when this data will be the deleted. Like he should be deleted as a author deleted. Author deleted successfully or author delete successfully, okay. So here I just define as an author delete successfully. So that's all you have to do. I already load our user model in our page header. I already load user model, so it should be work. Now let's check this out. I just click on the save all, and here if you now refresh that page, like I just refresh it, and now from here I want to remove that jack. Okay, so if you want to remove it, like there is an option for the delete. So if you click on the delete, yes, you can see it's now author deleted successfully. So now this author is now removed from to this position. And also if you go to the database and if you click on the browse, now you see the jack is now gone from to this area. So I hope you can well understand about it, how much easily you can delete that author. So now it's perfectly deleted from to this position. So in the next video I want to actually add some of the demo on in our permission. I just want to add some of the demo data for the rules. I want to add some of the demo data for the authors, okay. So step by step, because I will show you how can add the permissions for all the users. Like here I created some of the users as Ariyan. So how can actually put some of the authentication, how can add some of the privilegization for the author or for the editor or the blogger, okay. So how can set the permission for the different type of user. Step by step I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.